This is a landing page which is implemented with some animations we can see here. When I refresh the page, you can see the cool animations that comes on the screen, and the motive of the project is to apply on scroll animation. That's whenever I scroll the pages, the content pops up with cool animations here. When I scroll down, the content pops up with a cool animation. Similarly here and here. Okay, this is a kind of beautiful animations. This used with the JavaScript library and very simple to use. The entire web page is developed with help of HTML, CSS, and the CSS framework called Tailwind, and with the help of JavaScript on scroll animation, that's library, this gets implemented, and this page is made so such a beautiful landing page with such a great animation.